In this Heights platform review, I'm going to walk you through the software step by step. So what is actually Heights platform? Heights platform is actually a customized all-in-one online course platforms that help you create, manage and sell your course online. Heights platform can supercharge student engagement with challenge points, projects and forums. Who is actually suitable for Heights platform? Heights platform is actually suitable for solo entrepreneurs, creator, coaches and consultants who wants to monetize their expertise online. So without wasting much time, let me walk you through this software itself. So what you're actually looking at is actually the dashboard itself. So over here is actually a welcome video. And in any case, if you have any question, you can actually keep in touch by clicking over here at the logo at the bottom right, which is actually here. So you can actually, any questions, you can actually put in the subject and actually drop in your questions over here. Okay. Or you can actually email them at support@heightsplatform.com also. Okay. So moving downwards, you can actually see the creator dashboard. You can actually see total students, active students, student enroll, inactive students, more popular lesson, least popular lessons, and most bookmark lessons. There's also a program launch checklist as well. Okay, so there's actually an active feed. You can actually see the newest student, top performing students also. Okay, so on the top, you can actually see a quick navigations on course, discuss. So for this discuss tab itself, you can actually create a message board or create a message board group itself. So a member also, so you can actually create a member, admin student list as well, and also a creator dashboard, which I went through earlier on. So on the left, you can actually see the student list, award, program outline, create product, web pages, notification, payment setting, and account setting. Everything I will actually go through over later on. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is actually create your course. The course is very simple. Click onto the course tab here and press over here. Okay, so what you need to do is create a course title. I will just put it as course 1 and some simple description. So for description, you can actually see there's actually some simple, you can actually do some bold, italic, all these things. Okay, so all these things is actually over here. Okay, after you put in your description, you can actually input your cover image. If you have a cover image, proceed to choose your cover image, or else you can actually choose Appsumo itself via search via Express. It's actually embedded in here. So you can just do a random search. Let me just choose C. Once it's done, just choose image, and this is actually your cover image as well. You can actually do a preview video upload on embedded by clicking here, and if you want, you can actually publish here. Okay, so on the right, you can actually see the course setting. You can actually choose whether is it a free or a paid. You can also enable a public landing page or hidden course, and there's actually a join button text. You can actually, if you do not understand what is it all about, hover over the question marks, they actually tell you what is it all about. And there's also a release schedule, expire access after, and some advanced settings. You can actually put in the difficulty level. Okay, and you can actually replace the join button URL, which can redirect to another page itself. All right, so once you're actually done on creating the course, create the course over here. Okay, now right now what you need to do is actually create your lessons. Create lessons, you can actually click into here. Okay, then you can actually see there's actually an edit button and a report. Edit button will bring you to the page we actually did earlier on. Okay, in any case, if you want to go back to the main page of the course itself, you can actually see over here this course 1, which I actually created earlier on, and edit your course 1 details. Okay, just click into that, it will bring you to the page we were earlier on. So you can actually see there's actually a report. So for this particular course itself, there's also a report. You can actually see the total students, student purchase, your revenue, and you can actually see student progress. You can also export the student as CSV. All right. So right now, what you need to do is actually go to create your first lessons. By creating your first lessons, go to Lessons Editor. Okay. So right now, you're actually in the Lessons Editor interface. Okay. So over here, you can actually click the button, you create a new lessons. You can actually view the course, edit the course, and you actually course report. Okay. By creating the first lesson, click over here. Let me go through first lesson 1 and I create your first lessons. Okay. Once you create your first lesson, click into this. Okay. you can actually choose the auditor name, lessons description. Let me choose a random text, and you can actually see over at the bottom, you can actually have lesson type attachment. You can actually have text or image, or you can actually have some videos, or you can actually have assignment, or download some PDF, okay, or you can actually have audio lessons, okay. So we actually have some point system, and you can actually edit the lessons URL. So on the right, you can show thumbnail image. You can show some release settings. You have some feed release date. Okay, example, you can put in number of 7 days, or you can actually request unlock. Okay, once it's done, you can actually publish it. So for now, I will just save this lesson first without any publishing. All right. So your first lesson is usually created. Let me create another lessons for this demo itself. Okay. So what I need to do is create the lessons here. Repeat the same thing for lesson 2. I then press create. The same thing, click into this. Okay. Edit all the information you want here, and just a demo words, and I just put save lessons. Okay. So right now your lessons is already done. Okay. So I will go back to the main course itself. Remember over here is actually a quick navigations. Click into this. So you can see my course is actually done. The first course is done with 2 lessons in this here. In any case, if you want to edit any of the information, go ahead and click into this. Okay. Then you can actually click into the edit function. You can actually edit all the information for this course 1. And any case, if you want to delete, okay, you can actually go down to the right at the bottom. You can actually delete this. Okay, if you want to edit of the course itself, okay, go back to course 1. Look for a lesson editor. This is where you edit your lessons. Okay, so it's actually pretty simple, because with the help of this navigations here, it's make the life more simple. Okay, so what I'm going to go through next is, since you know how to create lessons, okay, and your course, so I'll go through the dashboard here and the navigations here. Okay, so you can actually see student list. So you can see go through. Let me just click into this. You can see the student list here. You can also see the incomplete enrollment, student order, student affiliate, and also student answer. Okay, so for student affiliate, you can actually see approved affiliate, referral, okay, referral in the last 30 days, the total revenue for referral. Okay, so we can actually see my name over here, whether is there any payout, whether is it approved. Okay, so for this is actually students itself. So the next navigation is actually the awards itself. So you can actually see the badges. So they can actually award by badges itself. It's really interesting. Or you can actually create your custom badges as well. Okay, put in your badges name, the description, and then you can actually drop file here, paste, browse, or import from all this Dropbox, link, Google Drive, Instagram, or my device itself. Then you can actually automatically grant after course completion. Choose the course, or do not grant automatically, and then you can actually create your custom badge. Okay. So moving back to badges list, and you can actually see the certificates as well. Okay, so you can actually see the certificate. You can actually edit the certificate. Let me click into this. Okay, so this is a certificate which I actually created earlier on. You can actually issue the certificate to selected students itself over here. Okay, and you can actually go back. Let me create a new certificate in front of you here by clicking new certificate templates. Okay, you can actually see the templates over here, and this is actually a design over here. Okay, and you can actually see the themes available. Okay, click into this. You can actually choose this design, this design, this design. In any case, if you want this, okay, you can actually go back to this tab itself. You can actually change all the colors, text color, fonts. Okay, you can actually choose award after, choose a course, do not grant, I mentioned earlier on, and the day valid as well. Okay, so this is actually under awards. Okay, let me go through the program outline itself. Okay, so this is actually a program outline itself. So you can actually see the outline being done already. Student enroll, upsell offer, course challenge, course, the first course you create, lesson 1, lesson 2. Okay, then you can actually create all this outline over here. Okay, so this is actually the outline. Okay, so the next one, you can actually create your products. Okay, So the first one I create is actually a course. You can actually create a challenge, a message board, a bundle, digital product, or a project. Okay, so you can actually create more products itself beside course. Okay, so after you create a product, okay, the next navigation I'm going to go through it's the web pages. Okay, so the web pages you can actually edit your landing page itself. You can actually edit the header, subheader, header fonts, image. You can actually you can actually upload an image, or you can search via Splash, or you can actually choose a video upload or embedded. Okay, so for these landing page settings, you can actually show author bio, show course cut section, show bundle section, show course curriculum. You can actually input the metadata, join button, join URL as well. Okay, you can also add in a testimonial, and there's also a Google Analytics ID. Once it's done, you can actually just press update and you can actually view your landing page. Okay, beside landing page, there's also a blog function. You can actually create a new post and also a term checkout page. You can actually see a student checkout page, student support, terms and conditions. Okay, so some page templates itself as well. So blog list, blog post details, blog sidebar, and catalogs. Okay, so moving on downwards, you can actually see the notifications as well. Okay, so notification is actually by email. So you have the email template already done. Let me click into one of them to show it to you. Okay, so basically the email message is already created, and you can actually edit any of the information here. So you can actually see the support liquid tag for this email is actually here. So you can actually edit all the information here, then you can actually update the email here, or you can actually send a test email. Okay, so this is actually the notification. Okay, moving that, you can actually move it back to email template over here. You can actually see there's also an announcement. Okay, you can actually create an announcement by clicking here. Okay, you can actually put in the announcement date, notice, or celebrations. Okay, so you can put in the subject and the content also here. Okay, you can put the start date, the start time, end date, and you can actually send us email. Once it's done, create and schedule it. Okay, moving back to the tab over here, there's also email campaign where you can actually create your email campaign. Okay, so in any case, if you need help in any of the navigation, you will realize you will always have this email campaign help. So every page you go to, there will be a help here, announcement help. So it's very helpful for this platform itself. This is what I realized is very good. Okay, so for notification, moving downwards, I will go through the payment settings as well. Okay, so the payment gateway, you can actually change the currency. There's actually connect via Stripes or PayPal. All right, so the program pricing. So there's actually a payment guides. You can actually sell individual products, content bundle, or offer free content, or you can actually charge a simple paid membership. Okay, so you can actually update the student payment plan. So payment setting, you can actually content bundle, individual products, or paid memberships. Okay, so moving on, you can actually go to bundle payment plan. You can actually create a bundle, and you actually create a product list. Okay, or a coupon code. Okay, you can actually create a coupon code by clicking into here and new coupon. Okay, you can put in a code, put in the price. Example, if let's say you are selling your cost as $50, if you want to create a coupon code of $5, create a $5 here. You can put in a start date, set the end date, a redemption limit. You can actually product type restriction. Okay, you can actually choose a restriction and create your coupons. Okay, moving on to payment settings. Let me go through. Okay, I really go through the payment settings. Okay, so the last one I go through is account itself. Okay, you can actually go through the account settings. You can actually customize your domain, logo, favicon, color scheme. Okay, a lot of things you can actually edit. It's pretty good as well. Okay, edit the cost row. You can actually the one we actually edit and create your cost row is over here. Okay, you can actually put in the row name and then choose to create. Okay, back to creator dashboard. Let me go through the cost account settings, and also comes custom codes. Okay, from the custom code, you actually upload custom codes. If you have any issue, you can actually click into here. So affiliate settings, we can actually enable affiliate program, invite only or enable them. Then the author list, you can actually see the author list over here as well. You can actually view or edit it. Okay, Okay, so basically I actually went through everything you need to know in this Heights platform. It's actually a very simple platform to use to create your first course online. Okay, so basically this is also a Appsumo deal. Maybe I'll show you the deal itself. Okay, so right now Appsing, the very first tier is actually $99 with 100 active user, unlimited email for 1000 contact, one product and one challenge, and 2 lessons of the author, and you actually have white labeling. Then for the second tier is 198, all feature above included, 600 active students, unlimited email for 2005 contact, 4 product, 4 lesson auditor, white labeling, affiliate program, blogs, tickets to high platform summit. Okay, or you can actually see the third tier is 297, 1100 active students, 4000 contact, 6 product, 6 lesson auditor, white labeling, affiliate program, blogs, and tickets to platform summit. And if you actually need more, of course you can actually purchase more. Okay, so this is actually a one-time purchase of 99, 198 or 297, and it's actually a lifetime deal. This is actually a alternate product called Kajabi. Kajabi is actually a monthly fee with, let's say you are a solo entrepreneurs or new company which are new coaches. Okay, and if you want to save cost, of course you actually get this Heights platform itself, because it's actually a lifetime deal and a one-time purchase, and it's not a monthly cost, in order to help you save your cost itself. Okay, so if you're interested in getting Heights platform, okay, go ahead and use my link in the description box. Click into the link, and it's actually an affiliate link. Of course, I will earn some small commission, but it will not affect the price of 99, 198 or 297. I will actually strongly recommend you to get the 297, where you actually have more active students and more products and more auditor itself. Okay, so I come to my end of this demo itself. Okay, I know it's actually pretty lengthy because I want to show you everything you need to know step by step. Okay, so remember, if you want to purchase Heights platform, remember to use my link in the description box. So if you love to see more software reviews from me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So to the next review, I will see you. Take care. Goodbye.